Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers. This is our educational channel, Learning Biology Online, and I am Dr. Asad. And with my expertise in biology, I will be discussing a very important biochemical component present in the cells of various organisms, that are the lipids. So, in today's lecture, we will be covering the definition, general characteristics, and the major sources of lipids that are found in different organisms or different resources as well. So by the end of this lecture, we hope that you will be able to define chemically the lipids, highlight their general characteristics, and you will also be able to understand what is the importance of lipids within the human body. And lastly, we will also cover how you can classify the different types of lipids that have been found through different researches. So starting off with the definition of lipids, it's a heterogeneous group of organic compounds that are fatty acids or their derivatives. It means that it is a combination of organic compounds with are different in nature, and they are formed of fatty acids or derived from different sorts of fatty acid compounds. Coming to the general characteristics, so all the lipids, they are hydrophobic in nature, which makes them insoluble in water but soluble in some of the organic solvents that you can see over here, that are ether, alcohol, benzene. Secondly, another very important component that you need to remember regarding the lipids is that they are one of the largest storage component or the storage biochemical molecules that are present within the cell as compared to the carbohydrates, जिनके बारे में हमने already पढ़ा था कि carbohydrates जो हैं बहुत सारी जो ग्लूकोज है उसकी स्टोर्ड फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं हमारी बॉडी में, लेकिन एनर्जी वाइज जो सबसे ज़्यादा सिग्निफिकेंट होता है कंपाउंड, दैट इज़ द lipids. And then also they have the ability to provide insulation effect on our body. तो इंसुलेशन इफेक्ट क्या होता है कि किसी एक्सट्रीम वेदर जो हैं, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड या हॉट वेदर को ये प्रॉपरली उस तरह से हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट नहीं होने देते. तो इंसुलेशन का एक बहुत पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट होता है. इंसुलेशन मीन्स कि दे डू नॉट एब्जॉर्ब इनफ हीट एंड इवन इन द कोल्ड वेदर they are able to let our bodies survive extreme cold condition. तो इस तरह से ये एक इंसुलेशन कैपेबिलिटी जो है एनिमल्स में भी और प्लांट सेल में भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे होते हैं अगेंस्ट एक्सट्रीम हॉट एंड कोल्ड वेदर एज वेल. Coming to the sources of lipids, so the waxes that are specific type of lipids, they are found in exoskeleton of certain insects. Then you have cutin, that is also a type of wax that is part of certain plant organs, the cuticle, leaves, fruits and the seeds. So cuticle जो है obviously it is the component of epidermis of the plants. Then also we can find lipids in case of animal, plant cells and other microorganisms in form of conjugated molecules. यानी कि lipids जो हैं वो प्रोटीन्स या कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ मिलके कुछ कॉन्जुगेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाते हैं, एंड दोज कॉन्जुगेटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स दे आर कंपोनेंट ऑफ द बायोलॉजिकल सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स ऑफ एनिमल, प्लांट एंड अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स एज वेल. ठीक है, तो हमने जब सेल मेम्ब्रेन वाला कंपोनेंट भी कवर किया था, इवन सेल वॉल वाला भी, तो उसमें हमने देखा था कि ये डिफरेंट जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स या ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स, ये एग्जिस्ट करते हैं ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एज वेल, और वहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट से रिलेटेड डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ये परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. तो इस तरह से इन डिफरेंट रीजन्स के ऊपर भी हमें ये डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स जो हैं लिपिड्स के इन फॉर्म ऑफ कंपाउंड ये मिल सकते हैं. Lastly, we come to the classification of lipids, and we can classify them on the basis of their structure into 4 different types, starting off with the acyl glycerols, the waxes, then we have the phospholipids, and lastly the terpenoids. So these are the 4 major types of lipids that occur in nature in different living cells and also other sources. और हम इसके जो स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल कंपोनेंट हैं इसको अपने नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे. So do like our video if you have been able to understand the basics of lipids, how you can define them and what are their general characteristic features, and also share it with your colleagues. In the comment section, do ask questions if you have relevant to the topics that we have covered in this video, and do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so that you can receive the update of our new video regarding the lipids, where we will discuss the very important structural classification and also their function and resource component. Thank you very much.